Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. Today's headlines. ACDP or Daska removed over NA75 by poll rigging. Following the orders of the Election Commission of Pakistan, action has been taken against officials in NA75 by poll rigging. Pakistan closely monitoring cases of new COVID-19 variant. Health Ministry. The Health Ministry has confirmed the presence of a new coronavirus variant in Pakistan and said that the authorities were closely monitoring the cases by using a modern surveillance system. Killed snake in front of DSP, Halim Adil Sheikh tells inquiry committee. Opposition leader in Sindh Assembly Halim Adil Sheikh on Saturday recorded his statement before an inquiry committee probing recovery of a poisonous snake from his cell. Pakistan Qatar inked new LNG import pact. Pakistan on Friday inked a new agreement with Qatar for the import of liquefied natural gas. Hamza Shahbaz released from Kot Lakhpat jail. Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz leader Hamza Shahbaz has been released from Kot Lakhpat jail after Lahore High Court granted bail in assessed beyond known sources of income case. CTD prepares new edition of Red Book on terrorist. The Counter-Terrorism Department has prepared the Red Book comprised of information about hardened terrorists. This is the end of today's news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care of yourself and others. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.